Welcome to Tiger Tropics. My name's Tash and today we'll be doing the water test. Yeah, so this ridiculous contraption is basically a paddling pool. I picked this up on Facebook for a tenner a little while ago when I had my first leak. Because obviously I'm living in a flat, I've got nowhere to really water test anything. The bathroom's you're gonna need it, and plus you need extended amounts of time with the thing full up, so we know for sure. It's either that, or if it starts leaking straight away, I'm doing another video where I take a hammer to it. Right? So anyway, hopefully it don't come to that. Or hopefully it does, we'll see. But yeah, there you go. This is a 750 litre paddling pool. So my tank's 260 litres, so in theory could spill out in this 3 times over. So yeah, that's going to be safe. All I've got to do is just make sure that this doesn't go down or there's no leaks. But it's going to be pretty evident near the get-go. So we'll see. We'll find out, innit? Alright, so I placed the cabinet with the tank in here. Gonna see, it's gonna be kind of evident from the get-go. Yeah, if it doesn't start leaking straight away, it's a good sign. I have got a kind of concern about this bit of work that I've done down here. Right, the strap. This bit of work down here. Really don't know. Gonna see. Let's fill up the water. We'll find out whether we're taking a hammer to it or not. Okay, moment of truth. I've set this up so a pump here that is ready to start pumping water out. I have to be running around emptying buckets if it starts leaking. And then we've got the main hose that follow it around, goes to the tap. So let's stick it on. Alright, let me loop this. Yeah, like that, that's it. Here you go. Yeah, like that. Okay. Woo. So what do you guys reckon? It's going to hold? Are we actually going to get water in this, or is this going to start leaking? Let's drop this in so it's not splashing. There we go, that's better. Last time, that was a point where it started leaking. It was right here. Have I done enough? Have I done enough? Oh, so far so good. moving like that. It's a bit annoying. Oh wow. Filling up and waiting for a leak somewhere. Alright, I'm going to fill it up, see what happens. Still filling, still no leaks by the look of it. We're out to talk in a minute. But whole thing's got to be full, and it's got to hold for a lot more than a couple of hours. I know, grumpy, meh. But yeah, I'm dubious the history with this tank. Yeah, I'm watching it. It's watching me. Okay, it's full up. Should have levelled the fucker, but sorry, I should have levelled it. I didn't. Didn't think it would go this far. But let's check it. Meow! Full of water. Let's have a look, see if there's any signs of leaks anywhere. Seems. Nope. Seem alright. Anything down the back here? No. Have I actually done it? It appears so. Right. So basically, it's waiting now. It's waiting. I've got a nervous evening. Hopefully it holds. There are no dramas at any point. Kind of ready if there is. And yeah. That's how slanted this room is. Well, I'll give you guys a... don't know, should I cut the video now? I think at least let me get through the weekend. Alright, enough of that. At least let it go through the weekend and see if it survives. If it does, then I'll call that a wrap until the next sets of projects, because I'm starting to think to myself, it'd be quite an epic marine tank. Epic, there's some big tanks out there, but it'd be quite a nice marine tank, since marine tanks are generally not bowed, and there's a few people on the internet which have got bowed ones, like Dual Visions, pretty much exactly the same tank. Maybe one or two people have done the Fluvals. So yeah, I'd like to have a pop at that as well. Maybe like a soft coral setup. That'd be pretty wicked. Go down that route. In the meantime, do some aquascaping. Fingers crossed, be getting another tank as well. That'd be wicked as well. So yeah, watch this space. But yeah, let's see how this thing gets on. Fingers crossed, everything goes fine. Okay guys, as you can see, holding the water still, looks pretty good. So yeah, move on to the next stage. So as you saw, that was it. Tank's full. I've actually moved it to a secure location at the moment because I don't trust it. There's no trust between us. I literally put it away. So if it decides to start leaking in the middle of the night, I'm not taking it toilet. Yeah? So I'll put it somewhere where if it does pop, it pops. Never mind taking a hammer to it. And if it doesn't, fantastic. And so far, so good. I'll try to post a couple of little pictures as well of it currently. And the next step in this build is going to be basically the cabinet and getting the cabinet fixed. So tune in, like and subscribe. Please share the videos. All your comments are welcome. And yeah, have a good day, guys. Thank you.